Assalamualaikum. We from Group of 4 would like to present the result of our group work.
My name is Muhammad Fikri Maulana.
My name is Muhammad Syed Abizar.
My name is Muhammad Zaki Pratama.
My name is Nadia.
My name is Nadia Putri. My name is Najwa Arini. My name is Ravalina.
My name is Rahel Dian Kabuhori.
My name is Siti Zara.
Report speech.
Definition: report speech as indirect sentence. Report speech is used to report or reconvey words that have been conveyed by the others. There are two ways to report what someone said. For first, direct speech. For second, indirect speech. Features of report speech. Report speech is an indirect sentence or sentence that contains a report from the first person, which is not written as it is, but still retains in the intent or content of the original sentence. Number 1. No quotes. Number 2. There is a conjunction or hyphen. The conjunction use depends on the type of sentence, such as statement use the conjunction that. Question sentence yes or no question use the conjunction if or whether. The question sentence is information question uses the conjunction of the question word itself. For example, where, when, or what. Command sentence or imperative use the conjunction to infinitive. In addition to the characteristics above, there are several changes that occur when changing direct sentence into indirect sentence, namely change in pronouns, sentence pattern or tense, and information about time and place. Direct speech. Direct speech repeats the speaker words I have lost my key. He said, I have lost my key. Or tense does not change. Reporting what someone said using direct speech is very easy because there are no changing tense in the sentence. Indirect speech. Give the exact meaning of sentence without having to use the speaker's exact words. If we want to mention who the speaker is talking to, we use told or use said. I have lost my key. She said that she had lost her wallet. She told me that she had lost her wallet. Note: the tense change that occur: present perfect tense becomes past perfect tense, have lost becomes had lost.
Expression of time and place in report speech. Direct speech. Today. Indirect speech. That day. Direct speech. Yesterday. Indirect speech. The day before. Direct speech. Tomorrow or the next day. Indirect speech. The following day. The day before yesterday. 2 days before or earlier. Yesterday morning. The previous morning. A year or a month, a week ago, a year before or earlier. The day after tomorrow in 2 days time. Next week or month or year. The following week, the following month, the following year. Now, then, tonight, that night, here, or there. This, that, or it. This, or those, can, could. 1. If the main verb is in the present tense, we don't change the tense in direct speech. Example, direct. Jim says, I don't like coffee. Indirect, Jim says that he doesn't like coffee. 2. Possessive pronouns and adjective usually change from first or second person to third person except when the speaker reports his own words. Example, direct. He said, you don't know my language. Indirect, he said that I didn't know his language. Direct, I said I sold my book. Indirect, I said that I had sold my book. Change in time information depending on when we hear the direct speech and when we deliver the report speech. 1. If a sentence is said and reported at the same time or day, no change of time is required. Direct, this morning he said, I will go to Jakarta today. Indirect, this morning he said that he would go to Jakarta today. 2. Logical changes are also required if a sentence is reported 1 or 2 days after it was uttered. Direct. On Sunday, Alisa said to Martha, I will start teaching tomorrow. Indirect, Alisa said that she would start teaching today. If Martha reports the next day, on Monday, indirect, Alisa said that she would start teaching yesterday. If Martha reports 2 days later, on Tuesday. Common verbs used with report speech. Add complaint, point out, shout, assert plus object. Example, direct, you will feel comfortable at this hotel. Indirect, the travel agent assured us that we would feel comfortable at that hotel. Direct, I can finish all this work. Indirect, she protested that she couldn't finish all that work. Report question. Report question are equations that are reported. When we report a question, the report is no longer in the form of a question but turns into a statement. Let's look at the following example. Direct speech, he asked me where do you live. Report speech, he asked me where I live. From the example above, we see that the question where do you live turns into a statement where do you live. There are two kinds of report question, namely 1 question with question word, 2 yes or no question.
Question with question words. She asked me, what are you doing? She asked me what I was doing. He asked me, who did you meet? He asked me who I had met. They asked him, where is your school? They asked him where his school was. When did you play football? She asked them. She asked them when they had played football. Why do you come late? He asked me. He asked me why I came late. How was your holiday? She asked me. She asked me how my holiday had been. Yes, no question. They asked me, are you happy? They asked me if I was happy. He asked me, do you like swimming? He asked me if I like swimming. She asked me, did you pass the exam? She asked me whether I had passed the exam. He asked me, have you driven a car? He asked me whether I had driven a car. Reported request. Open the window, please. She asked me. She asked me to open the window. He asked me, could you make a glass of coffee? He asked me to make a glass of coffee. Please don't be sad. They asked me. They asked me not to be sad. She asked us, please don't do it again. She asked us not to do it again. Reported orders. Reported orders are orders that are reported. Use tell plus to, not to infinitive for reported orders. Don't smoke, my father told me. Father told me not to smoke. She told me, close the door. He told me to close the door. Be quiet, he told us. He told us to be quiet. She told me, don't disturb me. She told me not disturb her.
Passive. Subject plus be plus verb 3 by plus pronoun. Example, active, she buy a book. Passive, a book is bought by her. Active, I am studying English. Passive, English is being studied by me.
What the passive voice? In a passive voice sentence, the subject and object flip-flop. The subject becomes the passive recipient of the action. Example, the tray of food was dropped by the waiter. In the case, the dropping is the subject and it is being acted upon by waiter.
Passive sentence.
1. Simple present tense. Active subject plus verb 1 plus 0. Passive subject plus is, I'm, are plus verb 3 plus dot. Example, active, somebody hold a ceremony. Passive, a ceremony is held by.
2. Simple past tense. Active subject plus verb 3 plus O. Passive subject plus was, were plus verb 3 plus dot. Example, active, the king of Majapahit built the castle. Passive, the castle was built by the king of Majapahit.
3. Present continuous tense. Active subject plus is, am, are plus verb ing plus o. Passive subject plus is, am, are plus being plus verb 3 plus dot. Example, active, he is reading a novel very night. Passive, a novel is being read by him every night.
4. Present perfect tense. Active subject plus has, have plus verb 3 plus o. Passive subject plus has, have plus been plus verb 3 plus dot. Example, active, she has bought a motorcycle. Passive, a motorcycle has been bought by her.
5. Simple future tense. Active subject plus will, shall plus be plus verb 3 plus dot. Passive subject plus will, shall plus be plus verb 3 plus dot. Example, active, my mom will cook the fried chicken for me. Passive, the fried chicken will be cooked for me by my mom. By my mother.
Tense. Simple present. Subject, flower. Verb to be, are. Verb 3, plant, every year. Present continuous. Subject, flowers. Verb to be, are being. Verb 3, plant, now. Simple past. Subject, flowers. Verb to be, were. Verb 3, plant, last year.
Definition and general function. Definition: news item is a text which inform reader about event of the day. The event are considered newsworthy or important. General function: it is used to report to the reader, listener, or viewers about event of the day which are considered newsworthy or important.
Generic structure. Headline or main event, the title of the news, summary of events, elaborate what happened to whom, in what situation or circumstance, background, participant, time, place, quotes, resource of information, the exact words that people have said or written in the news. Language features: short, telegraphic information about story captured in headline, use of material, process, or action verbs to retell the story of event, use of projecting verbal processing source stage, using adverb like badly injured, the most beautiful bride in the world, focus on circumstance. Draft about conflagration at Istarakan this morning at 4:13 a.m. Information from Mr. Agus: because electrical short circuit caused the fire. Predicted that the fire originated from a house abandoned by its owner while all the lights were kept turned on. News item text: conflagration, headline
or main event, summary of event, an electrical short circuit caused the fire of warehouse in East Tarakan, predicted that the fire originated from a house abandoned by its owner while all the lights were kept turned on. The fire happened around 4:13 a.m. A resident who would go to mosque to take a subuh prayer saw the fire had been enlarged at home of H. Ocha, the owner. He then quickly knocked and woke the homeowner who lived surrounded fire hose and then quickly put out the fire.
Fortunately, 30 minutes later, the fire department came and helped them putting out the fires. Quotes or resource of information. Initially, we were difficult to call the fire department, but we were very grateful that they come 30 minutes after the fire broke out. We quickly put out the fire so that the house around were not on fire, said Agus is Tarakan resident. There were no people died in this accident and material losses estimate about 3,000.
Question 1. What the text about? A. Accident. B. Conflagration. C. Deconflagration. A. Earthquake. 2. Who is give the information? E. Mr. Ocha. B. Mr. Sapri. C. Mr. Agus. D. Mr. Agus. E. Mrs. Sapri.
3. Where is the incident happened? A. At North Tarakan. B. At West Tarakan. C. At South Tarakan. D. At East Tarakan. E. At East Tarakan. 4. How much the material loss in the accident? A. About
A, B, C, D, E. Thank you.
Conditional sentence. Definition of conditional sentence. Conditional sentence is a form of complex sentence which is formed from a subordinate clause that begin with a subordinate conjunctional of which is a conditional, and a main clause which is also a result of consequence. This conditional sentence is also of sentence to be able to presuppose something that has not happened, did not happen, or has already happened. This sentence also consists of two parts, namely an independent clause which will become the main clause and an if clause which also has a conditional statement. An independent clause is a clause that stands alone because it has a complementary meaning, while the if clause is a form of clause that cannot stand alone because it has an incomplementary meaning. They begin with if. A conditional sentence also consists of two clauses, namely the main clauses and the if clauses. The arrangement or location of the main clause can be in front and also behind. The difference in the location of the main clause does not affect the meaning at all. The main clause in a conditional sentence will always have a capital, while the if clause does not. The capital most often uses is, will or shall, and other capital is can, may, must, have to, and ought to. This model can be in the form of present or past sentence. or past tense, according the type of conditional sentence. Types of conditional sentence. 1. Zero conditional. Zero conditional or conditional sentence type 0 is a conditional sentence that can be used when of a conditional that always occurs because of scientific fact or general truth, which is a habit. The dependent clause can also be preceded by the word if or when. Conditional sentence type 1. This is possible and also very likely that the conditional will be fulfilled. In conditional type I, this also explains that something is possible and it is very likely that a conditional will be fulfilled, or there is more likely that something that can be assumed clause happen.
3. Conditional sentence type 2. This is possible but very unclear that the conditional will be fulfilled. In the types 2, it also describes a condition that may occur but is very unclear that this condition can be fulfilled. In this, preposition also refers to the present situation, an activity that will occur if the present situation were given. 4. Conditional sentence type 3. That is impossible that the conditional will be fulfilled because it refers to the past. In conditional type 2, it also explains that something impossible will happen because the supposition was made in the past and also will not happen again at that time. In conditional type 3, this describes a situation in the past. This action could have happened in the passive in certain conditional will mean. The main clause in the type 3 can also be placed at the beginning or in front of a sentence. You can use comment and also be negative. Rumus conditional sentence 1. Rumus conditional sentence type 1. If plus subject plus V1. S plus will plus V1. 2. Rumus conditional sentence type 2. If subject V2, where plus S plus M2 plus V1. M2 atau modal bentuk 2. What I called 3. Rumus conditional sentence type 3. If plus subject plus head plus V3 plus S plus M2 plus have plus V3. Type rumus conditional sentence. Type 0. If plus simple present. Type 1. If plus simple present, will plus bare infinitive. Type 2. If plus simple past, what, called, makes plus bare infinitive. Type 3. If plus past perfect, would, sold, called, make, have plus past participle. Conditional sentence functional. 1. Conditional sentence functional type 1. Conditional sentence type 1 is a present sentence that makes happen or is commonly called the present real. 2. Conditional sentence functional type 2. Conditional sentence type 2 is a conditional sentence that is very unclear to happen or is commonly called unseen. 3. Conditional sentence type 3. Conditional sentence type 3 is a conditional sentence that makes happen, but the possibility of it happening is very small because the event has already happened in the past.